Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's videos, I'm gonna make creamy garlic chicken with mushroom. For ingredients, let's check down below. For ingredients, we have 1 onion, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. We have 1 tablespoon cold butter. This is about 7 ounces of mushroom, brown mushroom. You can use white mushroom also. Pepper, salt, chicken powder, chicken thigh. You can use chicken breast, that's an option also. We have olive oil, water, dry parsley, and dry oregano. So now, let's get to cooking. First thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to dry brine the chicken with salt and pepper. So I'm just gonna give a little massage to the chicken. Chicken's done. I'm gonna put it on the side, and now we're gonna prep the garlic and the onion. Onion, you wanna chop the onion, and you wanna chop the garlic. So after you finally chop the onion, put it in a bowl. Gonna do the same thing for garlic. Next, we're gonna cut the mushroom. For mushroom, you can slice thick, approximately about this much. Mushroom is done. Now we're gonna move to our stove. While your pan is still cold, you wanna add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm gonna add 2 crushed garlic, and then I'm gonna put it on medium heat, and we're gonna wait until the oils get hot. When your garlic brown like this and the oil's already hot, I'm gonna change the heat to medium-high heat, and then I'm gonna put my chicken. Since my chicken with skin, I'm gonna put skin side down first. I'm gonna sear the chicken for about 3 minutes each side. So after 3 minutes each side, I'm gonna turn down the heat to low heat, and then I'm gonna cook about 8 to 10 minutes each side while we're gonna cover with the lid. After 8 minutes, one side. Now I'm gonna flip it. And we're gonna cook for another 8 minutes. So after 8 minutes, both sides is done. Remove the chicken. Now I'm gonna put back the heat to medium heat, and then I'm gonna brown the mushroom. After the mushroom is already browned, I'm gonna add butter. When the butter is melted, now I'm gonna add the onion. We're going to saute this for about a minute and a half until the onion became translucent. After a minute and a half, now garlic. Saute for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, 1 cup of water, about 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, 1 teaspoon parsley, 1 teaspoon oregano, we're gonna mix it, and we're gonna simmer this until it reduces by half. After it's reduced by half, heavy cream, about 3/4 to 1 cup. Using low heat, you want to mix it. We're gonna wait until it's boiled. When you see it's bubbling like this, now you want to add the seasoning, which is salt and pepper. Make sure just put a little bit first. Same thing with black pepper, just a touch. Give it a taste. I'm gonna put a little bit more salt. Mix it. Turn off the heat. In the chicken. And just coat the chicken with the sauce. And then we're gonna leave it there for 10 minutes before serving. After 10 minutes, now you can serve it in a plate. Now we're gonna go back up top and we're gonna give it a try. Okay, so this is the final result of creamy garlic chicken and mushroom. So now we're gonna give it a try. Alright guys, so we're back up top. So now we're gonna give it a try, our chicken. This is a spot, really tasty, it's really good. You guys need to try this. And first of all, you can just eat it like this. If you want to eat it with pasta, go ahead with spaghetti, with fettuccine, any pasta you like. You can eat it with toast also, super good. Fries, mashed potatoes, you name it. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.